We also have the ability to edit a recipe. So we have our main recipes on the screen here. If I choose my paninis and I choose my one panini, you'll see here it's a 1 minute and 40 cycle. We have 70% microwave and 50% airspeed. Now, when we made one of these earlier during testing phase, we realized that the time was simply too long. So I'm able to now go in here and say, I don't need this cycle to be 1 minute and 40 seconds based on my ingredients. 1 minute and 10 seconds is more than enough. I'm confident that there's the right amount of microwave, and I'm also confident there's enough airspeed through that process to allow me to get that consistent result that I'm looking for. So once I've changed this setting, I can then give it a tick, which will save it. And now my new program on my main menu will always now be 1 minute and 10, as opposed to the factory setting of 1 minute and 40, which simply didn't suit my product. You're able to go through and make any adjustments you like to any of the programs that are on that main display, or you can simply start from zero. You can write a new program, you can upload a photo based on your specific food types, and for that it's great to use the app, because the app will allow you to manually do it on your computer. You have good visibility and good vision of what that program will look like when you then load it onto your machine. And once you've got that program on a USB, you're able to load it up onto one oven or multiple ovens, depending upon your site, the setup, or if you're a multi-site venue, you simply send a USB out to each of your sites and they would be able to upload those into their ovens, especially if they've added new menu items that weren't necessarily there before.